Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel. Today we are reviewing the 2026 Ontarion P, a futuristic machine that has already captured attention worldwide. Instead of rushing through all the features, let's focus deeply on the one thing that truly stands out, and that is our top 5 highlight: safety. The 2026 Ontarion P pushes the boundaries of what we thought possible in automotive safety. While design, performance, and technology are impressive, safety is where this vehicle truly separates itself from the rest. The engineers behind this model clearly wanted to give drivers not just confidence, but complete peace of mind, and they achieved it by blending artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and predictive response systems into one seamless package. First, the Ontarion P introduces a quantum computing-assisted sensor network. This combines LiDAR, radar, and high-definition cameras to build a 360-degree awareness of the car's environment. The system is so fast it can detect potential hazards in fractions of a second, reacting long before a human driver could even notice. Second, the vehicle's biometric driver monitoring adds another layer of security. Tiny sensors embedded in the steering and seating surfaces track pulse, stress levels, and even eye movement. If the car senses fatigue, distraction, or a health emergency, it instantly alerts the driver and prepares for autonomous takeover. Imagine a situation where you feel drowsy on a late-night drive. The Ontarion won't just warn you, it can safely guide itself to the side of the road if necessary. Third, predictive braking technology redefines how cars stop in dangerous moments. By analyzing road friction, weather conditions, and surrounding traffic patterns, the ONP can apply the brakes at the perfect intensity and timing to minimize impact. It feels almost like the car knows the road better than you do, and in a sense, it actually does. Fourth, lane precision technology ensures the car maintains perfect alignment even in challenging conditions. Whether you're driving through heavy rain, fog, or winding mountain routes, the system reads lane markers, road edges, and nearby objects to keep the car stable and centered. It reduces human error and makes long trips less stressful. Lastly, emergency collision avoidance is perhaps the most groundbreaking feature. In split-second scenarios where an accident seems unavoidable, the car's autonomous control can override human input, swerving or braking with millisecond accuracy to prevent disaster. It's not just driver assistance, it's active protection. When you put all of this together, the 2026 Ontarion P becomes more than just a luxury vehicle, it becomes a guardian on wheels. Safety isn't just a feature here, it's the foundation of the entire driving experience. Top 4 is the Lamborghini Motorhome, a futuristic design that takes the raw DNA of a raging bull supercar and stretches it into the world of luxury living on wheels. Imagine the sharp lines, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic curves of a Lamborghini Aventador, but built into the size of a motorhome. The exterior is all about dominance, with signature Y-shaped LED lighting, bold vents, and even scissor-style doors that lead you inside. The interior is nothing short of breathtaking, crafted with Italian leather, carbon fiber finishes, and a lounge-style setup that feels like a futuristic penthouse. Ambient neon lighting gives it a supercar vibe, while offering the comfort of a mobile mansion. This is not just an RV, it's a statement that combines speed-inspired styling with unparalleled luxury. Top 3 is the Ferrari Motorhome, aimed at those who want elegance blended with engineering mastery. Ferrari has always been about fluid design, and this motorhome carries that DNA forward. Sleek body lines, red and black accents, and a low-slung aerodynamic profile make it stand out instantly. Step inside and you find a cockpit that feels like a Ferrari supercar but with the space of a luxury apartment. The interiors feature hand-stitched materials, a driver-focused dashboard, and a kitchen and bedroom area designed with Italian sophistication. It's all about blending performance with comfort, making every journey feel like a grand tour across continents. Top 2 is the Mercedes Motorhome, a name already trusted in luxury, but reimagined for 2026 in an ultra-modern way. The exterior combines elegance with size, smooth curves, futuristic lighting strips, and a road-dominating stance. Inside, you get German precision, a smart lounge with voice-controlled systems, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, and a bedroom with adaptive climate comfort. Every element is designed to be intelligent, from lighting that changes with the time of day to driver assistance systems that make long-distance travel effortless. Mercedes focuses on refinement and smart living, making this motorhome the definition of luxury practicality. Top 1 is the Cadillac Motorhome, a true showstopper of the future. Cadillac takes American luxury to the extreme with this massive yet elegant design. Think of a towering presence on the road with a wide body, chrome accents, and a front grille that screams power. Step inside and you're in a rolling luxury suite. Wide leather recliners, a panoramic ceiling, a fully equipped digital kitchen, and a bedroom that feels like a five-star hotel. The cabin is driver-focused yet indulgent, with steering enhanced by holographic displays and AI integration. Cadillac's design blends comfort, power, and technology, making this motorhome not just a vehicle but a moving palace on wheels. Top 3 is the Mercedes luxury bus, a masterpiece that combines German precision with futuristic comfort. In 2026, Mercedes has redefined what it means to travel in a bus by turning it into a moving luxury suite. From the outside, the design is sleek and aerodynamic, with smooth body lines, futuristic lighting strips, and a dominating presence on the road. It doesn't just look like a bus, it looks like the future of long-distance travel. The front fascia is bold yet elegant, with the iconic Mercedes emblem leading the way. Wide panoramic windows wrap around the sides, giving passengers uninterrupted views of the world outside. Chrome details, seamless curves, and adaptive LED lighting create a balance between elegance and authority. The exterior alone makes a powerful first impression, but it's when you step inside that the real transformation begins. Inside, the Mercedes luxury bus is designed like a rolling five-star hotel. The cabin greets you with ambient lighting that adapts throughout the day, from soft morning tones to warm evening glows. The seating is beyond ordinary. Wide, reclining chairs upholstered in eco-leather, with massage and climate control functions, giving every passenger a first-class experience. A fully equipped gourmet kitchen sits at the heart of the bus, fitted with smart appliances, touchscreen controls, and energy-efficient systems. It allows you to prepare fresh meals on the road without sacrificing convenience. Next to it is a lounge area that feels more like a modern living room, complete with a digital entertainment hub, surround sound, and high-speed connectivity. The bedroom suite is one of the highlights of the Mercedes luxury bus, with adaptive climate systems, memory foam bedding, and a panoramic smart glass ceiling. It creates an environment of pure relaxation. At night, the glass can tint itself for privacy or remain transparent for a starlit view. When it comes to technology, Mercedes has gone all out. The bus is equipped with AI-powered navigation and driver assist systems, ensuring maximum safety on every route. Holographic displays replace traditional dashboards, projecting real-time speed, navigation, and diagnostics. Even passengers benefit from personalized entertainment options on individual displays, making long journeys engaging and comfortable. Performance hasn't been overlooked either. Powered by a next-generation hybrid electric engine, the bus offers smooth acceleration, impressive efficiency, and whisper-quiet travel. Adaptive suspension automatically adjusts to terrain, making every mile feel effortless. Whether cruising highways or tackling winding mountain routes, the Mercedes luxury bus isn't just a vehicle, it's a complete lifestyle on wheels. It blends innovation, luxury, and functionality in a way that only Mercedes could achieve. As top 3 in this countdown, it proves that travel can be as much about the journey as the destination. Top 3 is the Cadillac luxury motorhome, a bold creation that redefines what American luxury means when it takes the form of a rolling palace. Cadillac has always been known for its commanding presence on the road, and in 2026, that philosophy has been expanded into something far more ambitious, a motorhome that blends elegance, innovation, and sheer size in a way that's impossible to ignore. From the outside, the Cadillac motorhome is instantly recognizable. Its wide body stance, chrome accents, and imposing grille are pure Cadillac DNA, only magnified to motorhome proportions. The front fascia is designed to resemble the brand's flagship SUV styling, with slim vertical LED, headlights, and a layered chrome grille that makes a dramatic impression. Smooth yet muscular side panels flow toward a rear that features wraparound lighting, making it equally striking at night. The overall look is both futuristic and deeply rooted in Cadillac's luxury heritage. Step inside and the Cadillac experience truly unfolds. The interior is less like an RV and more like a high-end penthouse on wheels. Plush seating is upholstered in handcrafted leather, with diamond stitching and adjustable massage features. A spacious lounge area greets you first, complete with smart glass windows that can switch from clear to opaque at the touch of a button, offering either wide-open views or complete privacy. The kitchen inside this motorhome is designed for gourmet living, featuring state-of-the-art appliances, An induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and automated storage systems that make cooking on the road feel effortless. Across from the kitchen sits a dining area with extendable tables, allowing families or guests to dine in comfort while the vehicle moves smoothly along highways. Toward the rear, the bedroom is a sanctuary of rest and indulgence. Cadillac has fitted it with a king-sized adaptive mattress, customizable climate zones, and a panoramic roof that opens views to the night sky. The walls are layered with acoustic insulation, keeping the cabin whisper quiet no matter the environment outside. Technology is seamlessly woven into every element. The motorhome uses a holographic driver's display that provides real-time navigation, traffic awareness, and diagnostics. Passengers enjoy immersive entertainment through high-resolution screens, and the entire vehicle is powered by Cadillac's AI assistant, capable of adjusting lighting, temperature, and entertainment based on personal preferences. Performance-wise, this motorhome doesn't disappoint. Built on a hybrid electric platform, it balances torque-heavy acceleration with eco-conscious efficiency. Adaptive suspension ensures stability, while advanced driver assistance systems, including lane precision and predictive braking, make long journeys both safe and smooth. The Cadillac luxury motorhome is not just transportation. It's a vision of how Americans will travel in style and comfort in the future. Top 2 is the Lexus EML motorhome, a creation that elevates Japanese craftsmanship into the world of luxury travel. Lexus has always been known for blending reliability with refinement, and the 2026 EML motorhome takes that philosophy to a whole new level. It's a symbol of serenity on wheels, combining advanced engineering, minimalist design, and a luxurious lifestyle that makes every journey feel like an escape. The exterior of the Lexus EML motorhome immediately captures attention. The design language is bold yet calming, with the signature spindle grille stretched into motorhome proportions and framed by ultra-slim LED headlights. The body flows in elegant curves instead of sharp lines, giving it a sculpted and aerodynamic profile that feels sophisticated rather than aggressive. Chrome accents along the sides highlight its luxury appeal, while the panoramic windows make the entire vehicle look airy and modern. Step inside and the Lexus philosophy of omotenashi, or Japanese hospitality, comes to life. The cabin is designed to anticipate every need of the passenger. Natural wood trim, soft leather, and ambient lighting create a soothing environment. The lounge area is arranged with wide recliners that can transform into sleeping spaces at the touch of a button. Every seat offers massage and climate control functions, ensuring comfort no matter how long the trip. The kitchen area is sleek and practical, featuring induction cooking surfaces, hidden storage, and a refrigerator designed with efficiency in mind. Rather than feeling cluttered, the layout is open and minimal, echoing the Japanese design tradition of harmony and simplicity. Across from it, a dining nook folds out elegantly, turning into a workspace or a family table depending on the moment. The bedroom is where Lexus takes relaxation to another level. A queen-sized, adaptive bed adjusts firmness automatically to the sleeper's position. Surrounding it are acoustic panels that reduce noise, while a large smart glass window allows starlit views at night or complete privacy when needed. The attention to detail makes the space feel more like a luxury ryokan suite than an RV. Technology plays a central role but never feels intrusive. A holographic dashboard gives the driver clear navigation and vehicle data, while AI-assisted systems help manage everything from route planning to energy efficiency. Passengers can control lighting, temperature, and entertainment through voice commands or a mobile app, keeping the experience seamless. Powering the Lexus EML motorhome is a hybrid electric drivetrain that balances performance with eco-friendliness. Smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet operation, and adaptive suspension create a driving experience that feels more like a luxury sedan than a massive motorhome. Safety systems include lane assist, predictive braking, and a 360-degree awareness system that ensures peace of mind on every road. Top 1 is the Kenworth T2000 luxury motorhome, the ultimate combination of American trucking power and modern luxury living. In 2026, this legendary name in the trucking industry has been reimagined into a colossal motorhome that dominates the road while offering a lifestyle of unmatched comfort. It stands as the crown jewel of this countdown, blending raw strength with high-end sophistication. From the outside, the Kenworth T2000 makes its presence known immediately. Its towering stance, long aerodynamic nose, and bold chrome grille announce authority on any highway. The front is framed with futuristic LED lighting, while the polished chrome mirrors and massive alloy wheels emphasize its power. But despite its size, the design remains sleek, built for efficiency as much as presence. It's a truck and a palace rolled into one machine. Step inside and the transformation is astonishing. What begins as a truck exterior unfolds into a 3-level luxury residence on wheels. The front cabin is driver-focused, featuring a digital cockpit with holographic displays, AI-assisted navigation, and adaptive controls for a stress-free driving experience. Leather seating with massage functions and panoramic visibility make even the longest hauls comfortable for the driver and co-pilot. Behind the cockpit, the living quarters open into a spacious lounge that feels more like a modern penthouse than an RV. Premium leather sofas, carbon fiber and wood accents, and customizable ambient lighting set the mood. The space includes a full entertainment hub with surround sound and ultra-high-definition screens, making it perfect for both family trips and business use. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and even voice-activated storage systems. Adjacent to the kitchen is a dining area that can expand to seat multiple guests, showing that practicality and luxury can coexist effortlessly in a motorhome. The master bedroom inside the Kenworth T2000 motorhome is designed as a private retreat. A king-sized adaptive mattress, layered with memory foam and climate control features, guarantees rest at the highest level. The panoramic ceiling above the bed uses smart glass, which can shift from transparent to opaque instantly, allowing for starlit nights or complete privacy. The bathroom is no less impressive, with rainfall showers, heated floors, and marble-like finishes that rival high-end hotels. Every detail speaks of craftsmanship and attention to comfort. Powering this giant is a hybrid diesel-electric engine designed for torque, endurance, and surprising efficiency. Adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride regardless of terrain, while advanced safety systems like predictive braking, lane precision, and autonomous emergency handling make it as safe as it is powerful.